Chelsea McDougall here over at the Domino booth with my friend David Allen. Hi, David.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, good. Tell me a little bit about this piece of machinery behind us.
Here at Label Expo Southeast Asia, we're showing our flagship piece of equipment. It's the N730i, 1200 by 1200 DPI. The reason we're doing that is because if you look at the different markets globally, Asia is very driven towards high quality because of their history with offset printing. So having 1200 by 1200 DPI here for the major areas in Asia is really quite important. Not to say that some of the emerging markets in Asia ultimately need 1200 DPI from adoption. There are still areas that will require 600 by 600 DPI because it's a price point that they need to get into the business. But very pleased by the interest we've had in this machine, and 1200 by 1200 DPI is really important in places like Japan, Korea, and Australia.
Yeah. So tell me, how's the reception been from the local Thai market with this machinery behind?
I have to say it's been really good. We've had a lot of press involvement. I'd like to say that I'm sure that they'll print some nice things about us, I hope. Yeah, it's been very good. And I have to say, I've seen a lot of people from not just Thailand. You know, we've seen some people from Australia. We've got some people here from Korea. So several countries over here in Southeast Asia. And I have to say, I think this show will grow and go from strength to strength. I mean, if you look at the facility here, it's excellent. I'm very pleased that we're doing it with our parent company Brother. And we see Southeast Asia as a really growth market. If you look at the figures globally, clearly Asia's growing and the adoption of digital printing is increasing. So we want to be a part of that, and we want to be seen and drive our brand so that when that adoption level increases, we're a part of that industry.
And you brought up something really interesting too. The key question I hear from a lot of converters is, how am I going to get my machinery serviced? How does Domino address this Southeast Asian market specifically?
So if you look at our overall business, we have direct channels, we have indirect channels. Here, mainly, we have three large direct channels. Korea being the biggest. We have sold significant volumes of machines, most of them 1200 DPI, into Korea, but we also have India, we also have Japan, and we also have China, of course. So they're direct channels. So we have wholly owned subsidiaries in those areas and direct service organizations. In the smaller countries, we have distribution. In Malaysia and others, also a smaller country. Australia is not a small country, but we have a distribution arm there. And of course, we've taken the opportunity to use our parent company Brother to provide service here in the infrastructure, because it's okay selling a press, but really it's about output. People don't buy this press because they like me or they like the color of the press. They buy it because they're going to make money. And we need to make sure that we have local service which is supported by a global company. And I think that is absolutely fundamental. It's all about output, output, output. It's not about speed, it's not about width, it's about output.